Hello, welcome to FlixWater YouTube channel. Today, I want to share some valuable tips on how to prevent well water stains. Hard water stains can be quite frustrating for homeowners, leaving rusty marks around your bathtub, shower, and toilet. These stains are caused by high mineral content in the water, such as calcium, magnesium, and limestone. But don't worry, I've got some effective solutions for you. The first tip is to keep surfaces dry. If you notice hard water stains building up on moist areas like shower doors, it's essential to prevent them from drying. After an area gets wet, make sure to dry all surfaces as soon as possible. Wiping sinks dry after use and keeping countertops dry can make a big difference. Many homeowners find that using a squeegee or a towel to dry shower doors can be very helpful too. Next, let's talk about mineral-fighting solutions. While there are store-bought cleaning agents available, some of them contain harsh chemicals that may not be suitable for families with children and pets. Thankfully, there are gentler alternatives. For example, you can use white vinegar to remove hard water buildup in toilets. After treating with vinegar, a good scrubbing should take care of the stains. Lemon juice is another popular method for removing hard water stains. You can use plain lemon juice or combine it with vinegar and water to create a safe and powerful solution. Spray the mixture on tubs, faucets, shower doors, or sinks, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then easily wipe away the stains. You can also use this solution as a preventive measure by spraying it on problem areas. Cleaning frequently is another important step in preventing stains. As the saying goes, prevention is the best medicine. Hard water stains worsen over time as more minerals accumulate on surfaces. By regularly cleaning and addressing potential problem areas, you can keep your home looking its best. Incorporate preventative cleaning into your routine by spraying surfaces with vinegar or lemon juice solution at least once a week before signs of staining appear. Let the solution work for a few minutes and then wipe it clean. Also, make sure to treat your toilet with vinegar at least once a month. Now, let's talk about a straightforward solution, using a water softener. This method allows you to avoid hard water stains altogether. A water softener removes excess minerals from your water before they have a chance to reach your faucets and appliances. By ensuring you have soft water, you'll not only prevent staining but also enjoy other benefits. You won't have to worry about washing your clothes or yourself with hard water, which can be quite a relief. Remember, while preventative cleaning and mineral-fighting agents can help, they won't completely solve the problem. Using a water softener is the best choice for effectively addressing hard water stains. By selecting the right water softener for your family's needs, you can say goodbye to those stubborn stains. So, keep these tips in mind and enjoy a cleaner, fresher-looking home. I hope you found these insights helpful and that you can implement them to prevent well water stains in your home. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.